Yeah, and I even got the wiring harness for it. I'm just not sure which one. Well, these are the same, so I'm assuming that it's probably these. These are the tweeters that eventually I'm gonna change. So okay, let me try and get that off without, you know, and see if I can put it back on that one. And that, if that works out, great. If not, well. And I'm just very carefully pulling this out because this thing still has some gummy left to it. It would have been nice if the gummy was to that side.
Yep.
You know? And I may just do that. Let's put the gummy to that side. Let me see if it'll, let me try this. See if it'll stick here. Oh man, it's already sticking there. Darn, it's already... It's sticking to everything here. Problem is, I don't know if I'm in the right place, you know? I don't know if this is going to be the right size for all this. Oh well, it's worth a try. I think that side kind of lost its gummy. Okay. Cool. Looks like it's going to work. All right. Let me snap these off. I got to snap these off. And be back in a second. All right. Let me show. It is fairly easy. At least these are. And so if you come up, that way. And I'm grabbing them. Let me just show you, because I don't know if you can see, but there is like they're scored already. They're scored underneath there. It's kind of got like a groove already. And so that's where it's breaking from. See that? Now, will I need to go back and maybe file that down? I might too. I don't know. I'll figure it out here in just a bit. But I know those I don't need. I need to get rid of those because this is going to go on the, yeah. It's using these outside holes. All right, let's do this one. So I'm going to go back this way. Oh, this one's a little harder. Okay, here we go. All right. So now, let me just see about this. Figure out. Yeah, so it'll be 1 hole, 2 holes, 3. Yep, or if I put it like that. Yeah, I may do it this way. I guess it doesn't matter, to be honest with you. You know that?
Which side is harness got to go on?
Through here. And the harness is going to go right through here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this guy back on. Let's put this guy back on. Sucker right there. Grab the screws. Yeah, it's going to go through there. I got to, you know what, let me figure out which one of these is going there. I want to say it's got to be one of these. Yeah, I think it's going to be this one. Let me open up, because these two are the same, and I want to say that's for the, because the speakers that go here are the same for the ones in the back over here. All right, so let me go open this real quick. Be right back. All right, so this bracket, if you will, or plate, it's made by Metra, M-E-T-R-A. They've been making stuff for vehicles to where you just plug in, you don't have to be cutting wires, or they've been making kits like this, and it's the 82-8150. And I know it says Camry, whatever, but it's the same, you know, for this Highlander. Okay, and this is for the front speakers. The back speakers are a little bit different. This is a little bit different for the back speakers. This is the wiring harness. Let me make sure this is the wiring harness that goes there. And they sell you two. And this should plug in perfectly. Yeah, so it plugs in right there perfectly. All right, and I'm assuming that's going to be positive, this is negative. All right, and so then this guy is going like this. Once we get it all going, you know, that's probably just going to be like that there, hanging there. I'm hoping I don't have any issues when we go put on the deal that's bothering it. I didn't see anybody. I've seen some guys do this, and I did not see anybody saying, "Oh, we're just cut a hole and feed that through."
Right.
So, anyway, so this is basically just there. It is. Okay. So let's tighten this up. And again, you don't want to gorilla tighten these. Just snug. I'm sure there's probably some torque specs out there for it, but I don't know. All right, now let me get the screws for these guys. It did come with the screws. Let me grab those. By the way, this is a speaker kit that I got. Swan, and that's the model number. Okay, and they do come with screws, so I'll just need 4 from here. And they come in a box. Let me open this. I had already opened the other one, but they come like that, and then there's the speakers in here, and it even comes with wiring and other, you know. Oh, okay. We're definitely going to put that on. Okay. So yeah, so I don't think we need to use this guy at all. That guy in this installation, because this is thick enough right here, you know. All right, so let me just put this back. And these are, I think, 6.5, and it's the same speaker here as the ones for the rear door. So you don't have to be guessing, you know. Come on, go. Be nice. I'll just leave it there. Okay, so. Going to put 4. I think 4 is going to be good enough, you know. Okay, hang on. Some are longer than others. You know what? Let's use the shorter ones. I think the shorter ones would be okay. Yeah, I think the shorter ones would be. Let me see if I have enough of the shorter ones. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got enough of the shorter ones. All right, leave these out here. And they're just Phillips, you know, Phillips drives. You all right, so I've got those there. Well, all right. Let me do this. Let me grab the box here. I need to figure out how I'm going to mount these, you know what I'm saying? Am I going to mount them just clockwise? Guess it ain't going to matter. This one does look like it was getting a little bit of water, you know that? Let me see who that is.